Okay, here we go. Oops. Yeah. What? Dun, dun. Capless. Easy fuel. Today we got a Ford Transit, and it has an evap small leak. It's because that, can you see that corner there? There's a cracked plastic piece and the rubber sticking out, causing a small leak. Turning on the check engine light. And today we're gonna replace this part, because that part comes as an assembly. Ford. Big truck. Okay. Let's see. Remove that. Maybe. Remove this one. I am just doing this as I go along. No instructions. That's how we do it. No instructions. Okay. What else here? You remove that. This thing is blocking it. Let's see. Oops. Okay. Now what? So I'm picking here. I'm hearing a pop. Okay, it just clips. Onwards! Brake stuff! Okay. We're gonna need more help. More pry bar! More. Pry him up. Pry baby. Pry baby, pry. Okay, I'm gonna have to put you guys down. Okay, I think I successfully destroyed this thing. Removed it. Let's see, guys. I'm just pulling it out. Wow, okay. Alright. Shit. That might be a quick connect there. Okay. To be continued. Worried about that one. Shouldn't have that much, but fun it. Okay. Well, the gas level says it's low, but I don't know. This might have. You know what? I'm gonna get another big bowl just in case this burst up. Here we go. Oh, we might have a lot in there. Let's see, we'll just push it back in just a lot. See, we'll find out now. Oh, okay, we're good. Woo! Why, is there a check valve here? There might be a check valve in there. There's probably a check valve in there. Well, I don't think so. Anyways, that's good. I don't have to catch any fuel. Phew! Alright, onwards. So I got the old one out. What I forgot to bring is transmission quick disconnect, because I don't have it here for my other work. I do have it, but I don't have it today, so I end up like poking each and every one of those blades while pulling, but I'm risking damaging this line right here. It runs inside there. Might damage that line. I think this is for your evaporative emission. Anyway, so putting the new one in, race codes. That should be it. Come here, baby. What is this other part? I don't have this part. What is this thing? It looks like it goes to the vent, but you know, I didn't remove that. I didn't remove any of that, so probably don't need this. It's a different design. Is it? This one didn't have it. I gotta double check this thing. Hang on, guys. So since I don't see this on this one that I just removed, I am not gonna install it. You know what I mean? Just want to make sure this is the correct part here. So this one has a loopy thingy, and that it has this. This one didn't have, and this is Fomoco. Yeah, that's a original. Fomoco is Ford Motor Company. And this one is that updated or something. Anyway, this is also Ford, parts Ford. The same here. So we're gonna install this, guys. Just remove this part right here. I don't know where that's supposed to go. Easy, it says easy fuel, easy capless. Maybe an updated part, I'm not sure. We'll find out. Alright. I got that new one there. I just gotta shove this in there. And then installation is burst removal, guys. Easy as pie, huh? Okay, shove it up there. The 10 mil or whatever. Yep. That's it, and then it looks like it just hooks up there, and then we're done. Okay. Out of the way. Here we go. Okay, gotta recheck that. Where's the other bolt? That bolt goes up here. Okay. Let's switch weapons here. There you go. Okay, I just gotta double check that, make sure that thing doesn't leak. She's up there, sitting all pretty. Now I just gotta put back the plastic stuff. Race the code, should be done. Quick side by side. See that corner there? That one's broken. So underneath it is the rubber that seals it, so the evaporative emissions don't come out to the atmosphere. And here's a new one where everything's intact. Just a matter of time. before the customer breaks it again, and I will be here ready to fix it. This job is an easy job. It's if you have the tool. And what's next? I'm just gonna put this thing back. Yep. I think this one's next. I remember this thing was blocking. Okay, this just snaps in. We're gonna put the screws, 3 of them. One, 2, one more, 3, and oh, last piece. The last piece of the puzzle goes here. Nope, the other way. This just snaps in like so. Okay, and then oops, sorry. I think everything looks good. We just gotta get this candle, erase the code, and that should be it. We hit auto detect today, and this has 100,000 miles. Hopefully it works.